Hello guys, in this video I provide you the comparison of Xiaomi X20 Plus versus Xiaomi X10 Plus. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First talk about design. Xiaomi X20 Plus is sleek premium build, self-emptying dock. And the Xiaomi X10 Plus is a minimal design, manual being empty. Let's talk about function power. 4200 PA or higher is available on Xiaomi X20 Plus and 300 PA is available on Xiaomi X10 Plus. Navigation. LiDAR sensors, advanced multi-floor mapping is available on Xiaomi X20 Plus, and basic LiDAR, simpler mapping is available on X10 Plus. Mopping, sonic/vibration mopping, smart water control is available on X20 Plus, and basic mopping function, manual water control is available on X10 Plus. Battery life, 5200 mAh up to 180 minutes is provided by X20 Plus, and 4000 mAh up to 120 minutes is provided by X10 Plus. Self-emptying feature is available on X20 Plus and it is not available on X10 Plus. And multi-floor mapping is available on X20 Plus and it is not available on X10 Plus. App control, advanced controls, real-time monitoring is available on X20 Plus and basic controls is available on X10 Plus. Obstacle avoidance, highly precise, is available on X20 Plus and standard is available on X10 Plus. Price range of X20 Plus is $700 to $900 and the Xiaomi X10 Plus price range is $400 to $600. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.